around here and show you all the railroad equipment they have here. Some nice Southern passenger cars sitting there. I think that one used to be a Southern. It don't have the name on it though. Observation. You gonna walk up to this steam engine right here? I think that's a GP30 right there, or a GP35. We might can go through this passenger car to go to it. Here, let's see if it's open. Alright, come on. Oh, it says this car is closed today. I just now seen the sign.
Oh, it's closed today?
Yeah, so I guess some of these cars might be closed. That's an old Atlantic coastline, Greenville. This is Greenville, Tennessee, maybe. Greenville, South Carolina. What's that say? Somebody wrote something in the dust over there. Some weird looking windows on that thing. Maybe that's like the bathrooms, or maybe that's a dining car. That could be the kitchen. Golly, that's a weird looking diesel right there. Look at all Wabash caboose. That thing's seen better days.
We're allowed to go in that?
Yeah, now that, yeah, you can go in that one.
Let's go.
Hang on a minute, let's check out the steam engine right here. You want to? Look at that, that's the oil burning steam engine, I think. Wow, that's neat. Yo, look at that old paint off there starting to come off. I don't think these are restored. These are just for display only. Oh, they blocked the steps off. You can't get up on it. I don't know. Maybe they had some people get hurt on it or something.
Where was that?
Right there where that steel plate is, that smooth plate right there. God, look at the wheels on that thing, Kaylee.
They're that big.
Those wheels are bigger than you, Katie.
Can we go on that train?
You might be able to.
Let's go.
That's a Nashville, Chattanooga, and St. Louis passenger car.
Let's go see.
Katie loves trains.
At least they're not climbing on equipment. Can't climb on any of them.
I don't know what road name that steam engine was. Oh, it's a Canadian National. Anyways, you guys can pause the video and check out a little bit of history on the steam locomotive here. There's a Hartford and Slocombe Railroad. Never heard of that either. Yeah, you can't climb on that one.
You can't climb on this side? So you can climb on that one down there?
Tell you the truth, I don't know if you can get on any of these anymore. They all look like they got signs on them. This is Tennessee Valley. Those Southerns, I think you can. Yeah, let's check that one out in a minute. Boy, those passenger cars are neat.
Look at this caboose.
Katie, wait, come here a second.
You don't make caboose.
Tennessee Valley. American Locomotive Company in 1945. There's a Southern Bay window, X519. That's my daughter and my girlfriend Ashley. Well, technically my wife. We've been together 13 years, so. Say cheese. Candid camera. You might be able to get in the other end of it. Here, I'll climb up there too. Yeah. Hang on. Cool.
Get your coffee, bud.
change my battery here in a minute. This is awesome. God, look at those trucks. Those trucks are weird looking. Yeah, that thing's got some brake cylinders on it. Good lord. Oh wow, look at that. An SD42 high hood.
Here.
See, they didn't put the no climbing things on these, but they did right there. See that plate? You can't get on top of the roof. Kaylee, don't fall now. Be careful.
Help her.
You gotta be really careful on these.
Oh.
Actually, you know what? I should let you film. You wanna film? Make sure you get the side of it.
Hey guys. Kaylee. Hey Kaylee.
Well, is it still recording?
I thought I wanted to come on. Here, get on this southern. Kaylee, be careful. Let Daddy help you.
Get up on this one.
Kaylee, wait on Daddy. Where are we going now?
Still filming? Alright. Let me just get, let me get this caboose right here. And then we'll, alright. I don't know when I'll ever be back down here. Katie, I don't...
Daddy, look in! You can see him there, though.
You can't go in.
Look in, though.
Katie's having fun. Come on, let's go to this caboose right here, Katie. Go in there. Alright, let's
No, you come off.
No. Here, come on. Sitting up there. Yep, train up there. Okay. Crucial supply lines, East Tennessee railroads and bridges.